Welcome. Today, we'll explore how FinCEN's alert helps financial institutions better identify potential human smuggling transactions and how ScanWriter can simplify compliance efforts. In 2022, over 2.3 million encounters of smuggling activity occurred at the U.S. southwest border, significantly increasing from 500,000 incidents in 2020. Human smuggling networks use various methodologies to launder illicit payments, including cash and wire transfers, funnel accounts, and alternative payment methods. FinCEN identified financial red flags to help institutions detect suspicious activities. These include multiple wire transfers from different locations to one beneficiary, large cash deposits followed by rapid wire transfers, and frequent exchange of small bills for larger ones. Financial institutions must file a suspicious activity report when they suspect money laundering or fraud. Compliance is crucial, as failure can result in severe penalties, including fines and imprisonment. ScanWriter automates data preparation, creating visual representations of financial data to help institutions quickly identify suspicious activity. Here's how ScanWriter works. Data entry automation converts documents into normalized Excel data. Data sorting categorizes transactions by type. Enrichment integrates data with Power BI for visual analysis. On-premise solution supports 21 languages. ScanWriter's integration with Power BI generates visualizations of patterns, activities, and relationships, making it easier to spot suspicious trends. This tool facilitates every step of SAR investigations by sorting and analyzing critical transactions, spotting inconsistencies, and identifying patterns. In conclusion, ScanWriter reduces the time and effort required to analyze data, providing an organized view and visual insights to help fight fraud efficiently. Equip your organization with forensic accounting tools to stay ahead of fraud. Protect your financial integrity with cutting-edge technology. Personable ScanWriter AI enhances financial fraud investigations with advanced data analysis and automation. It helps investigators process data faster and more accurately. Stay ahead of financial fraud with ScanWriter AI. Schedule a demo to see how this innovative tool can revolutionize your fraud investigation approach.